Yo, what is good people? Ako by the name of King Kotola Kakhulu. Ngithomba omkhulu wasenaledi. Into ngizamshela ngoba sayidedela. Welcome to another episode of Emgwaqweni in the streets. We are recording live at Terminus, Imbokodo, Soweto, DJ Kinetic event and tours. Shout out to DJ Kinetic. Like, it's a Women's Day, so we're out here celebrating women in general, our mothers, our daughters, our girls, our ladies, and shout out to Banyana also. Shout out to the netball ladies, the Proteas. Yeah, shout out to all the ladies. We are here for you guys. Yeah. So right now I have my guest, one of the best, Baba Kaya. So in general, please introduce yourself, sir.
Hi everyone, my name is Kevin William. I'm Kaya's father.
Wow, that's nice. So you're Kaya's father, right? Yeah. So what do you think about Women's Day? Like, how do you think we should celebrate women in general as like black people in South Africa?
You know that we as black people that there's just about the woman. A woman, without the woman, there's no man.
Wow. Yeah, that's accurate.
You understand? There's no man. So the woman is a pillar of the house,
She's a
pillar wherever. Without a house, if you have a house, it can't be a home without a woman. It will stay a house, but the woman make the house a home.
Oh, it means like you can buy a house, but in order for it to be a home, you need to get married and everything so that it can be home.
Especially married. I like what you said, married.
Yes, married.
You see that father said doesn't work.
The father said doesn't work because I believe in marriage, even though my mother like she's not married, but I also believe in marriage because like it's a beautiful monumental thing. Yes.
So I'm glad for there's a day like this for women, you know. I'm glad because women have to stand up and fight.
Correct.
As they were doing in 1976, but now women got rights. Those days the man was controlling the woman. The woman couldn't say anything.
Yes.
But now women got rights. That's why they make it a 50-50 man
Yeah,
and woman.
like right now we have equal rights. So can I ask something? I want to know from you. Do you think like women like they get equal rights as men, or do they get hired because they are beautiful or because of their women, or they get hired in their jobs because of how they look, or they get hired because of their qualifications as us men?
Let me tell you something. First, there was this to say that women get jobs through sex, women get jobs through looks and all that. They sleep the way up. No. You know what? I like what a woman is doing compared with a man. A woman can buy a car, even she got 5,000 rand out of the box. But we as men, we want to buy second-hand car, we want to fix it first. Do you understand?
Yeah.
How unique is a woman? How powerful is a woman? A woman is, you can't get married, you push a woman aside. You must make her your partner. The Bible says, make her your partner. So whatever you decided, you make, maybe, let me make an example. You want to open a business.
Yes.
You involve your wife. You ask her, do you think if I open this business like this, will it work?
And she's also going to give you like a good advice because
That's it.
women like are great advisors. Let's say for instance, imagine if like we have women in parliament, like things will be different. Like
You
right now.
understand? I believe there must be a woman must be president, and I believe it's gonna happen. Because then you will see the direction why a woman must lead. I don't say that a woman must be the head.
But they also
But
must
nowadays, let me be honest, if you can see most 70 or 80% women that is earning more than the men. But let me go not far. My wife I'm blessed with a good wife. I'm blessed.
Yeah, really blessed. So I want to ask, since it's Women's Day, so what special thing did you do for your wife?
Let me be honest with you. Because my wife went to go work. But what I done, I just share a small lunch before we came here.
Wow, that's nice.
I like cook. Kitchen is my place. You see, so I cook for my wife, she eat. After that, we finish up, we refresh, we come in here.
And the event like so far? Are you enjoying the vibe, the event? And shout out to DJ Kinetic, your son. Beautiful event, like everybody can see. And also like right now, since we're broadcasting live, we are going to push the event. People must still come with their women and come here and enjoy also.
That is the thing what I like, you know. Everything that is concerned of women. Let me say, women's day must be like every day.
Yes.
Like not just when for Valentine's Day and Mother's Day. No, it must be every day.
Yes.
Spoil your woman.
Everything.
You know,
Yes.
tell
All
her
our
how
mothers
beautiful
also.
she is.
Yes.
Tell your mother also. Even the thing is what I love. The woman is teaching the young girls. If there was Father's Day, well, we're teaching our children, our boys to say, lead us. No, we're going to sit and drink with them. You see that? But the woman will want the best for her family.
Thanks. Hey, yo, you know what time it is? I cover the team. Kotara from Togo Plus and Ali. Don't care about it. Shout out to CJ Kane, Kimbo, to the Soweto protest live. In Bogoto, Soweto. And right now I have my beautiful ladies. So, the guys introduce us is welcome.
My name is Sukoba Muruko, all the way from Tepisong Phase 2, darling.
Wow, that's nice. So, that's me.
Ulindiwe, all the way from Tepisong.
Guys, so as you can see, support and best Tepisong and it's Lanam J and it's a Minasi. So, Minajent Kalugubuza, but Tabashi, Nikabanga, like New Mustang, Joan Bashiga, Jinavan Bisman.
Darling, let me tell you something. I feel so honored. This is the day that the Lord has made, especially for us women, right? Because like Rina Dimbokoto, Rina Mazwadi, darling, Rina Dimikishore, I just feel so honored and I'm so happy because I'm with other women here. Everything is fine as wine.
Okay, when I see some Tabangan, you must take.
Like when it means a lot to me because some of us I celebrate you too much. Everything like from labor ward to like where you are from now. Like it's Simbogoto. I see Simbogoto because of the name, but Simbogoto because of one man Simbogoto. We've been through a lot of us. So like yeah, it's been a lot for us women and we celebrate us today.
You feel like you're being celebrated like enough?
I think as Sabanto says that we're not celebrated enough. Because I mean like if we baby daddy actually Tina saw doctor, singabo teacher, singabo mama, singabo care workers, we are everything in our children's life. So like we are not being celebrated every day. I think Wednesday it should be an everyday thing, not on one day off one night like so I think we should be like into every day. Because in terms of it's too much. It's too much.
When I see some, like also take like on each gender equality. Like, do you feel like you've been treated like equal? Like, them seven Zimbabwe about pay qualities or which you qualified or was what time in a woman to have experience?
We are not treated equality. We are not treated equally, darling. Abana last ticket am ile na ke se di CV tsa go matla still ba bereka ka TV daline bona shaba so right not here sweetheart o ka se luke ba re nka se luke bana njaja they don't know how much I weigh. Yes, because I'm a woman, understand that how to treat you legana and we don't have a say at some point bana ba ba controller kuri bona inne bona bana ni final weight. Understand? We are not treated so fair. Like, it's so unfair. The treatment is unfair. We can't be in if we don't have direction. I can't be in we're not only but we don't have in
also, like you still feel like Tina. Abantu abawubaba like we are still care like each abantu abathola izinto ulongo basabobaba mina ngithola ama opportunity njenganathi why usho kanjalo
no like yazini ne abantu besilisa they've got this thing like they can do whatever they like because of one about besilisa because now I'm a woman I don't yes thank you because whenever besilisa they can lead us and that's not how it's supposed to be. It's not like
Terminasi Imbogoto so to support DJ Kaneti kulama event and izinto zotshintsha. We are going to celebrate you guys. Let's celebrate her every day. We'll celebrate her every day. Yeah. And then
I'm a teacher, I'm a care worker, I'm a principal, I'm a health worker, I'm everything on food. So like let the celebrate once in August in a way, like it's not fair.
Yeah, ngiyabonga ukuthi sibawunikele usuku oluhle nizinjoye. Hey yo, we out.